Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb look through and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb look through is to examine or read something briefly or to search thoroughly for something specific. The lawyer is going to huge lengths to get what he needs for his case. I've been looking through these files all night for the case file I need. I won't stop until I find it. The employee hasn't taken to the job quickly. Every now and then, I need to look back through my notes from the start to give myself a refresher on what to do. The candidate can't find her CV on the computer and is worried she might miss the chance to apply for the job. I need to find this CV. I've looked through this laptop countless times. I'll check the cloud. The trainee chef is creating a new recipe. I like to look through old cookery books for inspiration. Meaning 2 of look through is to ignore somebody by pretending not to see them. They were friends, but when they passed each other on the street, Sally didn't say hello. Jane tells her friend about it. I don't know what's wrong with Sally. When I saw her, she just looked straight through me. The manager isn't happy with one of their employees. Every time I see my manager, he just looks through me as if I'm not there. I'm not happy working here. So let's look back on what we covered. Look through can mean to examine or read something briefly, or to search thoroughly for something specific. We used to look through the telephone book for numbers, but now we have Google. To ignore somebody by pretending not to see them. She still resents her ex, so she looked right through him when she saw him. Where did you hear the phrasal verb look through? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.